Pua is Moana's loyal pet pig who, in her movies, brings her much comfort and joy. This tutorial will help you make a drawing of him just the way he looks right here. Hi, my name's Kathy, and I've been teaching kids how to draw for over 20 years now. You know, my favorite thing to do is to show students that when you take things one step at a time, learning how to draw just might be easier than you think. You don't need many supplies for this project, just a sheet of drawing paper, a pencil, black marker, and a few crayons. You can also find a link to a free step-by-step tutorial in the description below. Before we begin, here's my reminder that I like to work with center pencil guidelines on my paper. They're also on all my tutorials, and they really do help you use the entire sheet of paper when you draw. We first need to draw a large oval for Pua's head. It's going to be about this tall and this wide, and sit a little to the left of the center of the paper. Slowly draw half of the oval on one side, and then slowly draw a matching half on the other side. Next comes his main body shape, and it's going to be this big. Place your pencil on the cheek on the left. Make a big curve down that goes a bit to the right, and then draw down from the other cheek to complete that shape. Pua does have two very big ears, so let's draw the one on the right with a pointy top, and then do your best to draw a matching one on the left. When those ear shapes are done, then add a line inside to make it look like it's folded over. His nose is pretty big too and sits in the center of his head. Draw a rounded left side like this, and then do your best to draw a matching right side. The nose then is finished off with two nostril shapes inside. Let's move on to the eyes now. Start with large circles on either side of his nose. When those are in place, then go back and add a smaller circle inside of them. Pua also has a cute smile that's made by adding a line on the right and one on the left and a lip line underneath. We also need to add some simple eyebrow shapes, one on the left and one on the right. He also has a little tuft of hair between those two big ears. Now we can move on to the legs. Draw a front one like this, and when you're done, erase what's inside, and then finish with a little hoof line. The other front leg is easy too. It comes down from the shoulder, but has a little hoof at the bottom that looks the same size as the one on the right. Then add just a little bit of the back leg that is showing on the left side. The back leg is on its side, so it's shaped like this. Draw it and then erase what's inside so it looks like the leg is in front, and then finish with a little hoof line here too. A simple short tail is also added on the right. All right, I'm going to stop drawing now so I can trace my pencil lines with a black marker. I'll come back and do those spots afterwards. They don't need to have a black edge around them. When your tracing is done, your drawing will always look neater if you erase any pencil lines before you start coloring. Let's use that black marker again now to fill in the nostril and the eyes so they're really black. Finally, Pua is going to get his spots now. You can use your pencil to draw some on his ears and the one on his left eye. A few more spots are added to his body and his front legs, and a little bit of one on his back. I'm going to use a silver crayon to fill my spots in because that's the closest color I could find. But if you have a good gray crayon, that would be even better. Oops, I almost missed this spot on Pua's head. Oh well, it's not too late. I'll just draw the line and fill it in. Then the rest of the coloring is pretty easy. He has black for his feet, pink for inside those big ears, and pink for that nose. And there is my finished Pua drawing. I hope you like how yours turned out too, and that maybe it was easier to do than you thought it might be. If you check out my website, Art Projects for Kids, you'll find more cartoon lessons, including one for drawing Moana and Stitch. Over the years, my website has helped millions of kids learn how to draw. Hey, if you enjoyed this lesson and you're watching it on YouTube, then please like and subscribe to my channel so you get notified as soon as I post a new video.